Court grants Akpabio'S request, issues new order to Natasha. Orders. Justice Yako of the Federal High Court in Abuja has issued a fresh directive restricting both parties involved in the lawsuit filed by suspended Senator Natasha from speaking to the media about the matter. Why can't you speak to the media about the matter? You want to shut her up, sha? You sha want to silence this woman by force by fire? Because why are you telling her not to speak about the matter to the media? The case, which pits Akpabio against Senate President Godswill Akpabio and 3 others, concerns a 6-month suspension from the Senate. At Friday's proceeding, Justice Yako barred all parties from their legal representative from granting interview or publicly discussing the ongoing case. No be small thing. This order came in response to concerns raised by Akpabio's counsel. What concerns? What concerns? She should not talk. She should keep quiet. As people are already trying to drag the matter and already doing everything possible to make sure that you silence this woman. Now you want to silence her from going to the media as well. To not complain about what is going on. She should not do interview. They even said the proceeding itself. They should not allow us to see. They should not be social media, whatever. They should not post it. They should not do this. They should not do that. The court is just doing any. I don't understand the kind of judges that we have in our courts now. It is well, it is the order came in response to concerns raised by Akpabio's counsel, Kehinde Ogunwumeju-San, who accused the senator of engaging with multiple media outlets despite the case being sub judice. She has been on the BBC and CNN to speak on the issue. And before Uncle, Ogunwumeju told the court, arguing that the media engagement could undermine the legal process. In her ruling, Justice Yako emphasized the need to preserve the sanctity of the judicial proceeding. There shall be no press interview by all parties and their lawyers as regards the subject matter of the case, she ruled. The court also prohibited the live streaming or social media broadcasting of the proceedings. Jibi Okutepa's son, representing Akpabio, informed the court that this was the first time hearing since the matter was transferred from Justice Obiora Egwatu's court. They've even transferred the matter. So this is not the justice that was handling it before. They handed it over to another person. Maybe it's this one that will do their bidding for them. Maybe it's this one that will judge the way they like it. Says that all necessary filings has been exchanged except for one, and urges the court to hear all outstanding motions alongside the main suit. Okutepa emphasized the urgency of the matter, noting that his client's suspension was for a defined term and called for a swift resolution. Opposing counsel representing the clerk of the National Assembly, Charles Iyoela and Paul Daudu, did not object to the consolidated hearing request. However, Ogunwumeju and Umekalu-san, appearing for Senator Neda Imasuen, chairman of the Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Code of Conduct, opposed this. And why no go oppose them? Bad belle people. Justice Yako, however, granted Okutepa's request, stating the court to proceed to hear all preliminary objections together with the substantive matter. The case was adjourned to May 12 for a hearing. Akpabio is contesting the Senate's decision to suspend her, alleging that the process lacks fair hearing and violated her rights. Yes, and it is because it lacks fair hearing and they violated her rights. That is why she's going to the media to complain to everybody, to let everybody that cares to know that this is what you people are trying to do. You are trying to suppress the truth. You are trying to silence her. You are trying to do everything to make sure that she's silenced. What is it? Emmanuel God says, this woman has already disgraced you. You want more, Abi? She is very much ready to give you woto. Yes. Akpabio has bought markets. You are not sending your lawyer to go and tell the judge that you don't want her to be doing interview up and down again. You're supposed to resign. Step down and go face the matter first. When people resolve it, then you know if you will go back to be the senator or not. All the allegations against you, only you are Akpabio doing this one, doing that one, doing this one, doing that one. And you are so shameless, you don't want to step down. Now you are telling her through the judge that she should not go to any court. Even the process of the court, they should not live stream it, they should not do anything. So how are we going to know what exactly is going on? In other countries, if there's anything going on, they will stream it live for everybody to see. And this is what is going on. This is what is happening. But our own country, they will hide everything. They should not do video. So why do we have journalists? Why do you have media houses? When things are going on in this country, we cannot have first-hand information. We have to wait. It's almost like you'll be hearing it as a rumor. This is what the court now said on so matter. See, people are saying that they should not live stream, they should not do anything. So, but this country, it's well. Chiamaka Ezigbo says, useless and shameless infidelity man, she must be talking. You can't stop it. If she stops talking, which you can never stop, we will rise up and continue from where she stopped. We'll continue to spread your name in a bad light like a cloth, yes. Until you do the right thing and step down, you are not fit to be in that position. You are not. You are not. Michael Edisi says, before you start jumping into unnecessary conclusion, what is your understanding of the judgment? The suspension can't be lifted until the determination of the pending suit. You are talking about civilized country while you yourself do not understand simple judicial matters. You dey follow talk. So you are uncivilized. You should have sought the opinion of a lawyer before making this uninformed comment. You dey follow fight. Ikechukwu says, thank God for what this woman is doing. Akpabio thinks he is untouchable. Yes. He has done it several times and he has gone away scot-free with it. Only God knows the amount of people he would have bullied in that Senate. Not just in the Senate or even outside the Senate. The amount of people he would have done things to and then he would have gotten away with it. But this one, I go show you Pepe. Yes, he really thinks he's untouchable. He pocketed the Senate and reduced it to a personality court, mere rubber stamp, an enemy of the masses. Yes. Because a senator that they will be going to his house and they will be serving him tea. Mr. Senate President, sir, this is your tea. That man is a menace. A menace. Emmanuel Ozaya says, clear conscience fears no accusation. This depicts Akpabio does not want to be exposed to the truth, knowing how founded strong Natasha's claim are. Besides, this injunction is against freedom of speech, Abi. But why would you say that I should not go for interviews? Why would you say that I should not go for interviews? So where is the right to freedom of speech here? Obviously, this woman, she has evidences. She'll be letting it out of the bag small. And I think they already know. That's why they are doing everything possible to silence her. They are doing everything possible to make sure that, she doesn't talk. She doesn't do this, she doesn't do that. What exactly is the problem? Akpabio, you don't buy market. Akpabio'S says this is against the human rights and it's not sounding well in their freedom of speech. How can this be happening? Like, why? Why won't she talk? Why won't she do interviews? And people are adjourning case, giving it to another judge, shifting it from one judge to another. She just doing anyhow. And wow. Dauda Yakubu says they know that Natasha is saying the truth. Of course, they know. Of course, she's saying the truth. Obviously, with the extent that they are going, with all of this that they are doing, of course she's saying the truth. And they will be exposed very soon. And listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.